afternoon. My name is Brice Larson, and I teach special education, the significant disabilities, and autism class at Northside Elementary in Livingston Parish. As an educator, I'm most passionate about differentiating instruction to meet the individual need of all my students, teaching functional skills, and promoting acceptance among all students. This Halloween edition math lesson was taught last year, and I'm teaching it this year to my 3rd and 4th graders. My goals for today's lesson are to solve addition word problems within 100 and to add multi-digit numbers with carrying and regrouping using manipulatives such as base 10 blocks and place value. Today's lesson connects to the bigger picture of using these functional skills in these word problems, which connects to the overall goal of being able to add multi-digit addition numbers. I teach 10 amazing students with a wide range of grade levels, learning abilities and academic abilities, behavior concerns, in which I have already differentiated and scaffolded down the instruction to meet the needs of all my students by splitting them into smaller groups. I have 4 paraprofessionals in my classroom, in which one is assisting me today with this lesson, while the other 3 is pulling small groups with my other students. I have made adaptations to meet all learners, which include extended time, using manipulatives, visuals, differentiated problems, and many other accommodations to help meet the individual need of our students. All right, welcome to this afternoon. So, like last year, we're going to review the Mathoween. We're going to solve addition word problems. And so I want to show everybody how smart y'all are and see how much y'all have grown from last year. So, some of our goals for today is we're going to add multi-digit numbers with carrying or regrouping using place value and base 10 block as a manipulative. So, we watched this video yesterday, so we're going to go ahead and review what was in the video. So we have steps for solving word problems. So everybody show me step 1.
Step 1.
Everybody show me. Step 1. So step 1, we need to understand the problem. We need to figure out what the problem is asking, right? So we need to underline and circle important information. So that would be like the numbers that you would need to add. Okay, that would be underlining the question. You have to figure out what the question is asking. You're looking for those key words, which we're going to go back to the key words in just a second. Okay, and then step 2. Everybody show me step 2. Let me see, Blazing. Step 2. Show me step 2. Okay, show me step 2. Okay, so we got to pick a strategy. Well, today's strategy that we're going to focus on is using our base 10 blocks. So let's review real quick what this is called. Kaven, what is this called? Do you remember?
Tens.
The tens. That's right. So we're going to focus on the tens. And how you know this is the tens is because if we count them, ready? We're going to count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me hear you. 8, 9, and 10. Hands down. So this is the tens. And then what is this called, Blazin? If this was the tens, this would be the ones. Awesome job. Give yourself a token. Kaven and Blazin, give yourself a token for paying attention. Cameron, you ready? It's coming to you next. So, step 3 is we're actually going to do the math and figure out what our problem is. And then the last one is we're going to go back and double check to make sure we didn't make any mistake. Alright, so going back to the key words for addition. These are the words that you're going to need to know what is for addition. So if the question has add, more, plus, make, total, all together, or the sum. Okay, all of those are key words for addition when you're reading the word problem. Alright, so I'm going to quickly model one. So, Andy had 17 ghost erasers. Miles gave him 29 more. Okay, how many erasers does Andy have now? So let's go in here and talk about these different things. Aiden, Kaven, look here. So what is something that's important? Huh?
The party's over.
Yes. Okay, what is something that's important? What should I circle, Kaven?
17.
17, that's right. And I'm going to circle the other number, which is 29. And then I'm also going to circle, it says, how many erasers does Andy have now?
One taker.
So now is another key word. So it's telling you that somebody, Miles, gave him 29 more. So look, we have 17. So I know 17.
One.
Okay, I know 17 has 1 10 and 7 1. So I'm going to quickly move this over. So we have 1 10 and 7 1s. Everybody count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, so Cameron, look up here. So we have 29. Okay, so how many 10s do we have? 2. That is right. Awesome job. Give yourself a token. So I'm going to move 2 10s. Okay, and Kaven, how many 1s do we have?
9.
9. All right, everybody count with me real quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, so we have 9. So our first thing that we have to do is, do we have to add the 1s or the 10s, Blazin? What do we need to add first? Huh? No, we need to add the 1s, remember? Because we have to see if it can make 10, because we may have to carry over, right? So let's see how many 10s do we have. So we need to see how many 1s we have if it makes 10. So let's figure out how many 1s that we have. Ready? Let's count.
1, 2,
3, 4. Come on, Cam. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did we reach to 10? Yes. So look, I'm going to circle these. Okay, and we know we can cross these out because we made 10. So look, I'm going to bring this 10 right here over. So now, how many do we have left over? Cameron, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had 6 left over. So we had 7, 29 plus 17, and we had 6 left over, and we carried over our 1 10. So how many 10s do we have left, Blazin?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So we had 4 left. So Kaven, what is our number?
46.
So Andy has 46 ghost erasers. Good job. I love how everybody was paying attention. Give yourself a round of tokens. Y'all did awesome. So now you're going to do these problems. Alright? Alright, here's the problem. Okay, let's see who can finish the fastest. Alright, here's the problem. The problem says, every year Pumpkin Valley Farm grows 3 types of pumpkins. Okay, there are 2 types of pumpkin. So they are 34 autumn gold pumpkins and 23 fairy pumpkins, all right? So what do we need to circle? What numbers do we need to circle? Okay. What other number do we need to circle?
How many tens?
Quickly.
Okay.
What other number? Awesome. Good job.
How many tens?
So we have 34. We have 34 and 23. Okay. Figure out how many tens do we need. Okay, grab them. Quick. Grab your tens.
How many tens?
Okay, so we had 23
How many tens?
plus 34. So how many tens did we need? Okay. How many tens did we need?
Good. How many ones?
2.
Okay, grab them quick. 2 tens. Okay, how many ones did you need?
4.
Okay, grab them quick. Okay, how many ones did you need?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, grab 3. Here, quick.
1,
Okay, how many did you need?
2.
Okay, put it down here. Okay, I need ones, baby. We're talking about ones.
1,
Okay, how many ones?
3.
Okay, grab me 3 ones. All right, you have it. So how many tens?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, grab me 3 tens.
These
Yep, grab me 3 tens.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, how many ones?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, grab it. Come on, grab the ones, and we're going to add them together. So what I want you to do is you're going to do the ones, and you're going to add the tens. Come on, grab 4 ones. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, grab it. All right, 4. So you're going to add the ones,
What is that?
and you're going to add the tens. Go ahead and add the tens. How many tens do we have? How many ones do we have? Count them.
1,
How many?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
1, 2,
7.
3,
4, 5.
5. Write a 5. Okay, how many did you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so is that 10? 7 is 10? No, it's less than 10, so we're good. So go ahead and add your 7. Okay, right, 57. Blazin said we had 7 ones, and it's not quite 10 yet, so we're good. We don't have to carry. So write a 7 and write a 5. Here you go. Thank you. Write a 5 and a 7. All right. Did you write it? Okay, write that one. Okay, so we have 50.
7.
Awesome. So they have 57 pumpkins. Awesome. All right, you did such a wonderful job. So the lesson that just happened, we did meet the objectives. The first objective was to solve addition problem, word problems. And then the second one was adding multi-digit numbers with carrying and reborrowing using manipulatives and place values. Those were met because at the end, the students were able to do the problems mostly independent. Something that I would do different for the next time, I would definitely incorporate a little more self-check with using a calculator. I'll definitely start doing that probably next week and teaching them how to use a calculator now that they have the method of how to add down. And then something that after we finish all that, the next unit or the next topic that we would do is learning subtraction. Thank you so much.